Hey guys, welcome back to my channel VROG, the ultimate virtual reality channel. Today we are unboxing a must-have accessory for every MetaQuest user. It's a new Zorbes protective case. It is more or less like a tempered glass protection for the MetaQuest 3. Okay, let's see what we got inside the box. As you can see, the packaging is clean and the case looks like it is made
Wow.
of high quality clear tempered glass. Let's snap this onto the headset. It slips over the front plate super easily. Yes, it fits perfectly. I really like the Zorbes sturdy design with cooling vents, totally clear so that the headset won't overheat during the long session. Next comes the practical lens cover. The touch feel is really premium. It protects the lenses from scratches and sunlight. Here are some screen protector accessories. Let's see what's inside. A couple of cleaning swabs and a microfiber cloth. Here are three glass screen protectors for the VR lens and the depth projector. Personally, I don't feel they add value to the protection of MetaQuest 3. Along with the case, we get three lens protectors, four thumb grips, and a lens cover. Overall, the Zorbes protective case gives you a total peace of mind. I highly recommend picking this up. I've dropped the link in the bio below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to VROG.